evening, sir.
Good evening.
We are at the CPHI event. I have with me Mr. Sailesh Nigam, who is the COO of EEMEA, SAARC and CIS, and Director Boards of India and MEN Turkey, which is KSA office, UAE office, and he holds a lot of other responsibilities. I welcome him to this event and I request him to share his views and what he feels about this exhibition and event, and help us in understanding the product that he has, the challenges he faces, and how he needs to take this organization further to more profits and gains.
Thank you very much. Regarding this event, CPHI PMAC, this event we have been visiting. This is the first time then we are participating in this event as an exhibitor, because what we say that jo dikhta hai wo bikta hai.
Right.
So that's why we made sure that this time we are also present as an exhibitor here. AAF or American Air Filters, it's a 103-year-old company. Basically, it originated from USA, and in 2005-06 it was bought by Daikin. So Daikin, it's an air conditioning company, a very big conglomerate. We as AF focus more on air filtration products. We are known in the market for the quality, for the backup, service backup, product backup, and for different solutions. Our motto is to make our customers comfortable and offer them healthy living by providing clean air solutions, because what we feel that air filters are not there for controlling the dust particles. It is basically protecting your lungs. So we believe in making people's life healthy and better by providing healthcare indoor air filtration solutions. This not only applies to the people, it applies to the processes also, because here when we are here in CPHI, which is a mega pharma event in India, so a lot of pharmaceutical companies are there where they are making injectables, they are making drugs, medicines, which are to be produced in very, very clean environment, and we have those products to provide to create those kind of environment. So the challenge what we face in the market is that there has been no regulation. Even the standard also, Bureau of Indian Standard has come up with a standard just 2 years ago, and it is yet to be mandated. It will take some time, and that gives open playground to all the filter manufacturers. So there are many filter manufacturers who are offering products which are not up to that quality which are required, which should do rather than doing that purpose of providing a clean air environment. Those in fact the filters are there which are not doing their job. So but since there are no regulations, there are no mandates, it becomes difficult to stop such manufacturers. Market naturally moves towards low price. Definitely. Which we are not able to offer. We offer a good quality, and that is what sets us apart from competition. We give a quality product. To further set us apart from the competition, we have come out with a lot of air filtration products, because we believe wherever we have air in the enclosed environment, there is a requirement of filtration. It can be dust filtration or some gas treatment, and we have solution for all. So we have developed many such products which can provide overall solution to the customer, to the processes. We have customized solutions. So if we talk about adaptability to the market, we study customers' requirement, be it as office space, malls, hospitals, hospitality, pharmaceutical, process industry, food and beverages. For everything, We first study the requirement of the customer and come out with the suitable solution. And that is how
you do a prototype first.
this is yes, we study, we come out with a solution and give the prototype to the customer, and then once it is successful, if it is not successful, we do necessary modification and then we give the solution to the customer. So it is not something which we have a readily available product which we are trying to push in the market. We are giving a solution which is meeting the requirement of the customers.
Right.
We believe going forward, market definitely should regulate, the rationalization should come in the market, and people should understand the requirement of filter. I always say, throughout the day, whenever we are eating or drinking something, we are very mindful of brand, packaging, expiry date, even the contents of whatever we are drinking and eating, which we drink maybe 2-3 liters, be it tea, coffee, water, juice, or eat breakfast, lunch or dinner maybe just 2 kg, but we breathe 2200 gallons of air. Now, to understand what is 2200 gallons is equal to a size of full-size swimming pool. That much air we are breathing, and that air goes to our lungs. A very important fact is that this air goes and oxygenates our blood. So
Correct.
these impurities through the air are entering our blood. Lung diseases do not give the effect immediately. When we reach to older age, the lungs are impacted by those pollution, and then there is no treatment to the lungs. Lungs cannot be cured, lungs cannot be cleaned. So it is very important for people to understand what is the importance of clean air, and this is our mission. We are trying to educate people by various platforms. So today also I want to give this message from this platform also. Please understand the importance of indoor air. Outdoor pollution is there, we know, but indoor pollution, as per the studies, is 2 to 5 times more polluted than outdoor air, and we spend 85 to 90% of our time indoors.
Right.
Be it home or office or anywhere, it is indoors. So it is very important to have clean and indoor air. And now finally, thank you very much for listening to me.
No,
Thank you.
It has been an honor to speak to you and to understand the various processes that you follow in your organization. And I, on behalf of VC Media, thank you so much, and we wish your team all the very best.
Thank you.